Are you tired of spending endless hours on complex Excel formulas? Do you wish there was a way to automate your data analysis tasks and become a true data analysis ninja? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'll take you on a journey through 7 remarkable AI-powered tools that will revolutionize the way you work with data. Let's dive in. The first tool on our list is Mito AI. It can be referred to as the ultimate ChatGPT for spreadsheets. Picture having a virtual assistant right at your fingertips, ready to understand your natural language queries and provide real-time insights. Mito AI helps you analyze your data, create formulas, and streamline your workflow, all through a simple chat interface. Let's see it in action. Here's an example. Imagine you have a massive data set with complex figures and numbers. You simply ask Mito AI, what are the top-selling products this quarter? And voila! Mito AI instantly presents you with a clear list of the best-performing products, saving you hours of manual analysis. Is it that interesting? Next up, we have the second tool on our list. Meet ArcWise AI, the AI co-pilot for spreadsheets. Say farewell to the laborious process of manually building intricate charts and graphs. With ArcWise AI, you'll have a trusty sidekick that utilizes artificial intelligence to assist you in visualizing your data. It suggests the most suitable charts, helps with customization, and ensures your data is presented flawlessly. For instance, suppose you have a sales report and need to create an eye-catching graph to showcase the revenue growth. With ArcWise AI, all you need to do is input the data, and it will recommend the best graph type for your data, leaving you with a stunning visual representation of your sales performance. Woo! I think data analysts just got their lives made easier. Tool 3. On our list, we have Formula Dog. Need help with Excel formulas? Look no further than Formula Dog. This remarkable tool generates Excel formulas with the power of AI. No more struggling to remember the syntax or spending hours searching for the right functions. Formula Dog will be your loyal companion, making formula creation a breeze. Let's say you need to calculate the average monthly sales for the past year. With Formula Dog, you just describe your requirement in plain English, and it will swiftly generate the correct formula for you, allowing you to focus on the analysis itself. Isn't that wonderful? Next up, we have Chat2Stats. Data analysis can be overwhelming, but don't fret. Chat2Stats is here to save the day. This intelligent tool takes your raw data and transforms it into meaningful insights. With its AI-generated analytics, you'll uncover patterns, trends, and correlations in your data faster than ever before. For instance, suppose you have customer survey data and want to identify key factors influencing customer satisfaction. Chat2Stats will analyze the data and present you with a comprehensive report highlighting the main drivers of customer happiness. Now, isn't that amazing? Tool 5. Formularizer. Just call it the best AI assistant for your formulas. Have you ever struggled with crafting the perfect formula for your spreadsheet? Formularizer has got your back. This tool is like having a formula guru by your side, guiding you through the process step by step. It understands your needs and suggests the most suitable formulas, making you an Excel formula pro in no time. Now, picture this. You're working with a data set that contains various numerical variables, and you need to calculate the overall performance score. Instead of scratching your head and browsing through countless Excel help pages, Formularizer comes to the rescue. It takes your data, analyzes it, and presents you with the most appropriate formula for accurate results, saving you from the headache of formula hunting. And hey, no more crying over those cryptic syntax errors. Formularizer ensures your formulas are error-free, sparing you from the dreaded hash value messages. Now you can focus on your data analysis journey without any formula-induced frustration. Now, are you sure you are ready for this next tool? The name is called Data Distiller, the data integration wizard. Have you ever faced the challenge of merging data from different sources? Data Distiller will make your life easier. This powerful tool simplifies the process of data integration, allowing you to combine and analyze data seamlessly, just like the perfect blend of flavors in your favorite recipe. Imagine you're dealing with sales data from various regions, each stored in separate files. Tedious, right? Data Distiller to the rescue. It automatically extracts, merges, and harmonizes the data, leaving you with a comprehensive report showcasing your sales performance across different regions. For me, I love to see Data Distiller like a master chef, ensuring your data ingredients come together perfectly to create a delightful data analysis feast. No more fumbling around with manual data extraction. Data Distiller has got the recipe for data success. Last but certainly not least, we have FlowShot, the turbo boost for your Google Sheets workflow. Flowshot is the ultimate AI-powered productivity booster that frees you from the shackles of monotonous manual work. Say goodbye to repetitive tasks and hello to more time for the things that truly matter. Let's say you have a recurring task of analyzing website traffic data to measure user engagement. With Flowshot, you can set up an automated process to fetch the data, generate interactive graphs, and present insightful reports, all done with just a few clicks. Now you have more time to explore data trends and make data-driven decisions like a data wizard. Flowshot is like having a trusty data butler, always at your service, ensuring your Google Sheets dance to your every data analysis command. So you can sit back, relax, and let Flowshot handle the data heavy lifting for you. In case you haven't been following, here's a recap of our epic lineup of AI-powered data analysis tools. 1. We mentioned Mito, your chat GPT for spreadsheets, the virtual assistant that understands your language and provides real-time insights. 2. ArcWise AI, the AI co-pilot for spreadsheets making charting and graphing a breeze. 3. Formula Dog, your loyal formula generator, saving you from formula nightmares. 4. Chat2Stats, the intelligent data analysis sidekick, transforming raw data into meaningful insights. 5. Formularizer, your formula guru, guiding you to Excel formula mastery. 6. Data Distiller, the data integration wizard, merging data like a seasoned chef. And lastly, Flowshot, the turbo boost for Google Sheets, automating tasks and boosting productivity. So there you have it, a remarkable arsenal of AI tools designed to enhance your data analysis skills and empower you as a data analysis ninja. Embrace the power of AI and let these tools unleash your full potential in the world of data. Whether you're a data novice or a seasoned analyst, these tools are your secret weapons to excel in the data-driven universe. So go ahead, grab these AI-powered wonders and embark on your data analysis journey like a true data wizard.